Hey, good morning. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the math lesson for Thursday. So same as we have been doing, go ahead and go into Schoology and click on your math course. When you get there, you're going to click on the Spring Online Learning folder, and then you're going to go into your Thursday folder. Now, in your Thursday folder, you're going to see the district curriculum, just like you have been every day, and you're going to click on it. And it's going to take you to Coralville's website. Once you get to Coralville's website, remember you want to come down here to Coralville at Home Learning. But hey, remember we have Virtual Spirit Week every week, so make sure you check this out each day, okay? Or the night before so you're ready for the next day. But click on Coralville at Home Learning and then come on over here to 5th grade. Click on 5th grade and you'll go ahead and open up the lesson plan. So today is going to be a little bit different because math only has 3 lessons, which meant that you did lesson 1 on Monday and lesson 2 on Tuesday and lesson 3 on Wednesday. But there was a part of lesson 3 that we saved for Thursday and Friday because it's a fun activity and it would have taken a little bit longer. So once you open up the lesson plan, you're going to come down here to lesson 3. And in lesson 3, we've done everything else. I want you to come to the guided independent practice part and click on GeoTown project because that's what we're going to be doing for the next 2 days. So this is a project that you're going to create, and it's called GeoTown. And you're going to create a town using the principles of geometry. So you'll come to the next slide and it tells you what the requirements are. There are 13 requirements, okay? 2 sets of streets that are parallel, 2 sets of streets that are perpendicular, 1 street that intersects another street to form an obtuse angle. So remember, an obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. And intersecting streets are streets that cross. Number 4, 1 street intersects another to form an acute angle, and an acute angle is an angle that's less than 90 degrees. Number 5, a school in the shape of a trapezoid. So 1 pair of parallel lines and 1 pair of lines that are not parallel. Number 6, a bank in the shape of an irregular polygon. So it can be a shape that has different sides, or sides that are different lengths. Number 7, a post office in the shape of a triangle. Number 8, a bodega that is in the shape of a rhombus. A bodega is kind of like your corner store. It could be kind of like your CVS or your Walgreens. Number 9, a pizza place in the shape of a parallelogram. And by the way, a rhombus, remember, a rhombus is like a square. It's got 4 congruent sides, but they're kind of bumped over, so they're kind of tilted, right? They're not 90-degree angles. Number 9, a pizza place in the shape of a parallelogram, 2 pairs of parallel sides. Number 10, a park with a square sandbox, a rectangular basketball court, and an irregular polygon swimming pool. So again, irregular polygon means it's a polygon, so it's a closed shape and it's got straight sides, but the sides don't have to be the same length. Number 11, a rectangular gym with a trapezoid parking lot surrounding it. Number 12, you must add 5 other items or places and identify the shape. Some possibilities are restaurants, subway stations, airports, houses. And number 13, you may use additional streets and landmarks. You will earn extra credit if you use polyhedra. Don't worry about number 13. But you can add extra streets and landmarks, okay? So I'm going to show you a couple of examples of different things that people have done. Here's one, and it's called Abbey City. So you can name your city, okay? And you can see that they've got here's the is it a lake or a pool? I'm not sure. And then a baseball diamond, it looks like, and the different streets that are intersecting, okay? And then here's one where it's nice and big and colorful, but you can see like these 2 streets right here, they intersect in perpendicular lines, and then these 2 streets, this one and this one, are parallel lines because they don't cross. They run side by side, okay? And then here's another example, Woodsville, same thing. These lines intersect. These lines are parallel, okay? and then here's a perpendicular line right here, this line and this one, okay? So those are good examples of parallel and perpendicular lines. Again, same thing. Here, these are perpendicular lines. These lines are parallel. So when you're making your city, think about that. So there's not going to be a lot of this last slide you really don't want to do because it means you have to meet with somebody else, and of course we are following social distancing guidelines, so we're not going to do this last slide. But the other ones I think would be great. And once you finish it, you want to work on this on Thursday and Friday, and then take a picture of it and post it to our discussion piece so that we can see it. So let's go back and I'm going to show you how to post something to a discussion piece. So we'll come back here and we'll go back to the Coreville at Home Learning and we'll go to 5th grade. Okay. And, oops, sorry, no. We're going to go to Schoology. Okay. And we're going to go to the math course. And we're going to back up. And I'm going to actually go to Tuesdays so I can show you the discussion piece. Okay. So on Thursday, you'll have a discussion piece. And what you're going to do is in the comments, you'll come down here to the comments. And what you can do is you can come down here to this icon, click on this icon, and it'll come up and you can actually attach a picture right here. Okay, so take a picture and attach it for us so we can see your city. Okay, and that's about it. And that's going to be your instruction for today and tomorrow. So if you finish early, you can post it early, but post your pictures when you're done. I can't wait to see them. Okay, good luck, and I am excited to see all of your work. See you soon. Bye.